Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shanewood. A lot of my past videos have been projects I've made for family members. And this week, I'm taking some of this Spectra ply that I used in an art piece that I made for my oldest nephew, and I'm gonna make my newborn daughter a baby rattle. Let's check it out. To start out, I took a top of this protein can just to kind of draw out a simple shape of a whale. I'm not the greatest at freehand, but my daughter won't care. And after cutting the shape out on the bandsaw, I'll cut a dowel rod just so that it'll go through the middle of it. That'll hold the little rattly things. That's the technical term, little rattly things. And now for some sanding and shaping on the belt sander. That'd be a great time to remind you guys to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Now with all the pieces kind of taking their shape, I took a round over bit and my trim router and just rounded over this whole whale. Do a little hand sanding and get ready to put the dowel rod through the center. Or what I thought was the center. If you notice, I'm pretty far off, and that's alright. She won't notice it. Now to just add the little rattly things. Let this glue set up. Cut the end of this dowel rod off, do a little bit more sanding, and add the finish. It's a fun little quick project. Hope you like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Oh hey, I just had some engine trouble with this van here. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you'll get a notification every time I take another item and flip it into something awesome. Y'all go out and have a great day. Try and make something awesome. I'm trying to find this rattle in this engine. I think I got it. Oh, hey look, it's that rattle you guys just watched me build. Wait a minute. There's a second one. Oh, I didn't even build this one.